John been in New Zealand, Sotheby's International, and we've got an absolute cutie here. You know how these state houses are beautifully built? Well, this one in particular at number 2 Seddon Street in Takaro, Palmerston North, is a real nice example. But look at what's happened. New kitchens, beautiful decor throughout, all day sun, low maintenance exterior, and underneath there, of course, there's that lovely heart timber. 2 bedrooms, a beautiful bathroom and kitchen, as we've said, and of course, we just think you're going to love it. Have a little look through, and we'll talk soon. One little added extra is the utility room. You're going to love it because it's a man cave, it's a study, it's for the kids. Either way, it's extra value. Well, I hope you've loved this particular property, number 2 Seddon Street. Remember, exterior cladding, low maintenance, beautifully painted, white and bright. We like that. But right through the house, there's little things that matter. Warm and toasty, it has been rewired, replumbed, and of course the things that matter most when you buy a home is exactly that. So call us any day. We'd love to show you through. Whether it's a first home buyer looking for a property and the banks love you, or any age group, this is a home you're going to really truly love.